If you're skipping this, you're sabotaging your own style. Fine hair takes a different kind of love. Fine hair doesn't have the structure, causing hair to look greasy, flat. Conditioner should never go on your scalp, period. This is my favorite way to really seal in that volume, and it will change your entire hair game. Hey guys, Beau Dieda here, celebrity Hollywood hairstylist. I've been in the industry for over 15 years and I have a lot of great information for you coming. Heavy products have a thick, oily base meant for thicker textures. Fine hair doesn't have the structure to support that, causing hair to look greasy, flat, and sometimes can clog the follicles of the hair, reducing hair growth. As you can see here, this client used a really oily, greasy product in her roots, and you can see it's already flattening her hair and giving her zero volume. Conditioner should never go on your scalp, period. Apply mid-shaft to ends only. Over-conditioning equals instant oil overload. Brushing your hair aggressively when wet. Fine hair when wet, that's breakage waiting to happen. Start with a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. Avoid regular brushes or anything with stiff bristles. Apply a lightweight leave-in conditioner or detangler. This adds slip, reduces friction, and protects the hair as you brush. Section your hair into sections. Divide into 2 to 4 sections so that you can work in smaller areas without tugging. Start from the ends and work your way up. Always begin with brushing from the bottom and move upward slowly. This prevents compounding knots and reduces stress on the hair shaft. Hold the hair above the section that you're brushing. Gently hold the section you've been working on a few inches above where you'll be brushing to minimize pulling at the root. Be gentle and patient. No aggressive tugging. If you hit a knot, stop and gently work through it with your fingers or a comb. Mistake number 4, root lifting products are the basics of volume. If you're skipping this, you're sabotaging your own style. Root sprays and powders create structure. Then you set it with the right blow dry, and this is where the SRI DryQ shines. The DryQ hair dryer is infrared powered, which dries from the inside out. No scorching, just bounce. It has ionic settings, customizable heat, and pro-level airflow that gives you the root lift without frizz. This is my secret for root volume without damage. One of my favorite features about the SRI DryQ is the cool shot. This is my favorite way to really seal in that volume when you're doing your blow dry. After you've already blow dried at the root with your heat, then you're just gonna take your cool shot and you're gonna hold the cool shot on it and really seal that cuticle back down, locking in that curl pattern from your round brush. I'd say anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds, leave that cool shot on there and it will change your entire hair game. Mistake number 5, the wrong haircut. This cut, she's cute, but she has no lift. One leg hair can drag down fine strands. Go for invisible layers, blunt ends, or a modern bob with bounce. Drop this emoji if you've made one of these mistakes before. Taking off some length can really improve the overall look of the hair. It really thickens it up at the bottom, making it look much more youthful. Adding a curtain bang or some fringe also really gives you that volume in the top of the crown, as well as adding in some fine layers all around the head just to give the overall look a bit more body. One of my favorite tools in my hair volume arsenal is this StyleQ. This is one of my favorite things to use to finish off any style that I'm doing, especially if we want to just add a little bit more volume to those roots. You can literally just take it right underneath, curve out that little bit of volume right there at the root, and voila, instant volume on the top. This comes in all the different temperature settings, so from fine hair to thick hair, you're never gonna fry your hair off. It has infrared technology and ceramic plates that's going to protect your hair the entire time that you're using. Another pro tip for you guys out there that style your hair, maybe before your makeup or just, during the day before you're getting ready, I like to take my flat iron and really create that volume here all the way at the root through the ends. And then what you're gonna do at home, if you have one, you can either wrap it up with your hands and pin it so that that curl really holds the pattern. It's really gonna hold that volume from the heat. If you have hot rollers at home as well, you can also add the heat to it, wrap it around your hot roller and pin it and leave it, and that's gonna create a lot of volume at the root for you. Fine hair takes a different kind of love, but when you give it what you need, you'll fall in love with your hair again. Let's jump to Anna at home using the StyleQ to get that amazing volume.
this video, I'm going to be showing you how I like to use the StyleQ from SRI to curl and straighten my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is kind of crazy right now. It's kinky, it's frizzy, it's just all over the place. I'm going to curl half of my head and also straighten the other half of my head so that way you can see exactly what StyleQ is capable of doing. Now, full disclosure, SRI did send me the straightener to use in this video, but any information I present in this video about the StyleQ truly reflects on my personal experience with this product. StyleQ heats up super fast. It has this digital display and you can control the temperature right here. Also, when you're not using this styler, you could just go ahead and lock it right here and it's going to stay closed, so that way it actually saves a lot of space in your cabinet. And what's really cool is that it actually has this red light technology, which I was shocked to see when I first plugged it in. So let me demonstrate to you how the StyleQ straightens my hair and also curls my hair on the other side. Okay, so that took practically no time. I love how this flat iron just glides on your hair. It doesn't get tangled up. Your hair isn't being stuck and being pulled and snagged while you're using it. I'm going to do the same thing, and this time I'm going to actually curl my hair. So there you have it, ladies and gents. Obviously, the way that your curls look will fluctuate depending on how tight you want your curls to show up and look like. What I personally love about the StyleQ is the fact that it leaves my hair extremely shiny and the styles actually hold up, for me at least. Another thing I like is that it doesn't snag or pull your hair as you're styling it, and it also is super fast. It doesn't take a long time to do my hair at all. And even when you curl your hair, you still get that amazing shine. So there you have it. One styling tool, two completely different looks.
Great job, Anna. Now let's recap fine hair mistakes and quick fixes. Huge shout out and a thank you to SRI Labs for making tools that are amazing for us stylists behind the chair. You can find the StyleQ and DryQ linked below.